Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Learning English with NDM, where English isn't just something you study, it's something you live and breathe. I'm NDM, and if you're new here, a big warm welcome to the family. If you're already part of this growing community, thank you for being here. You're the reason I show up every week. Today, we're talking about something that sounds simple, but feels impossible: how to finally be consistent. Let's face it, we all start things with good intentions. Maybe you promised yourself, I'll speak fluently in 6 months. I'll never skip a day again. And then a week goes by and boom, life gets in the way. So how do we break this cycle? How do we make consistency not just a wish, but a part of who we are? We're going to break it all down today. But first, real quick, if you're serious about improving your English, building better habits, and becoming the best version of yourself, subscribe to this channel right now. You'll get weekly episodes full of real talk, simple strategies, and positive energy to keep you moving forward. All right, let's dive in. The truth about consistency. Let me start with a quick story. Last year, I decided I was going to get fit. I joined a gym, bought new workout clothes, watched motivational videos every night. Guess what? I went to the gym for 4 days. Then I skipped 1 day. Then another, and by the 3rd week, I had completely stopped. Sound familiar? This happens with learning English too. You start strong, maybe even binge watch a few videos on this channel, but when the motivation disappears, the habit disappears too. So here's the truth. Motivation is not the key. Discipline is not the key. Consistency is a system. It's something you design, not something you force. So let's design your system today, one that works even on your laziest days. Step 1. Make it small. Let's begin with step 1. Make it small. Most people think, to be fluent in English, I have to study for an hour a day. But here's the secret. You don't need to do more. You just need to do less, more often. Think about brushing your teeth. It takes 2 minutes. You do it every day, and your brain doesn't fight it. Now, imagine if you made English that simple. Try this instead. If learn just 3 new vocabulary words a day, watch a 5-minute English video before breakfast, practice 1 short conversation line in front of the mirror. These are tiny wins, and they build momentum. And here's a tip. Use the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, just do it. No excuses. Because once you start, you'll often do more than 2 minutes. But starting is the real win. Step 2. Make it daily. Our brains love patterns. That's why daily habits are easier to remember and stick with. Ask yourself, can you commit to just 10 minutes a day? Can you set a daily alarm titled Speak English Now? Can you link English to an existing habit like coffee time or bedtime? Let's say every night at 9 p.m. you watch 1 short English video and write down 1 sentence in your journal. Simple, right? But powerful. After 1 week, you'll start looking forward to it. After 2 weeks, you won't want to break the streak. After 1 month, it becomes part of you. This is how you rewire your brain for consistency. Step 3. Make it fun. Let's be honest, if it's boring, we won't do it. Not for long anyway. So how do we make English fun? Here are some creative ideas. Watch your favorite Netflix series in English with subtitles. Play word games like Wordle or Scrabble. Listen to English music and try to sing along. Write short stories or your own diary entries in English. Try shadowing, repeating after your favorite YouTuber or actor. And here's the most fun part. Create something. Make your own short English podcast. Write a blog post. Teach someone else what you learned. When you use the language to express yourself, it becomes meaningful, and consistency becomes natural. Let's wrap it up. If you want to be consistent in learning English, or anything really, remember these 3 steps. Make it small, make it daily, make it fun. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up, even on the bad days. Especially on the bad days, because every time you choose to practice, even for 5 minutes, you're proving to yourself that you're someone who keeps going. So here's your challenge. Tonight, set a 5-minute timer. Do something in English. Read, speak, listen, or write. And let me know in the comments. What did you do? Let's keep each other accountable. And if you're ready to build a consistent English learning journey with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, Share this episode with a friend who always starts strong but struggles to continue. You're not alone, and you're not behind. You're exactly where you need to be. Keep going, keep learning. And as always, this is NDM, signing off from Learning English with NDM. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.